What's up, guys? Neilbrush Studios. I'm Slade. Today we're playing Tycoon 2, and in the last video I said I was going to get. In the last video I did get well, I showed you how to get green and gold wood, and I brought back a piece of green wood. This is what I used it for: a green door. I also finished the second layer for the walls. I got lava wood, by the way. So today we're going to try and get the fourth piece of land, and maybe, and if we get 20k, get the other conveyor, and if we get 30k, get the other conveyor too. I am one might be drawing the call. Hello, London. You're on a video.
I'm gonna tell Tristan to get.
What? Dude, you're in a video, by the way.
What?
You're on a video. Say hi.
You don't have to jump out.
No, I'm not. No.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. So we're gonna sell this lava wood and sell it, guys. Sorry, I think I already told you that probably. This is a humongous piece of lava wood. I just realized. Okay. You're just gonna sit there, London. I'm just gonna sit there. London.
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. Dude, I made a green wood door. Hello? Hello? So, this always happens, guys. This, like, always happens. I'm the one. My friends always lag out.
It wasn't lag.
Okay, I made a green wood door.
I don't understand why.
Because it looks sick. That's why.
But I am sick.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I know.
Nah, you're not sick. Okay. Almost got all of this. And hey, Lennon. Lennon.
Here.
You know how we thought the conveyor I had was the biggest conveyor?
Yeah.
It's not. There's a one for really long pieces, and there's a one that's like the best, and it holds like And it can take like any water, probably. Okay, so let's get all this, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so lavish.
Okay, I figured out who Atomic Panda is.
Who?
Silas.
Ah! Okay. That's why it pulled up for me on, and Silas is not a thing anymore. Okay. Okay, don't know what who Silas is, guys. He's just one of our friends. Who I think has been in one of the background videos.
Crazy Sean.
Oh yeah,
Productions.
yeah.
He's the person who made it.
Huh.
Well, create the shop.
Oh, okay. This person's looking at me like, how'd you get red wood?
Comment down below what game you want us to play next.
Yes. You know, no one's watching. Still, comment. Okay. So those pieces. Okay, so let's go buy land. Okay, so Lana, when you get back, and when you come to my house, people are gonna see your point of your conveyor. See what you have to say. Chris, this isn't working, guys. Yay, finally. What? Okay. Do it right here. Okay. 9,000. Oh. Stop. Stop. Come. Lan, stop. So loud.
Stop what?
Rubbing your hand against the microphone. Just stop, please.
Not. I'm literally playing Bed Wars.
Ooh, what's your... Ah! Okay. Never mind, I'm not gonna get that one. Cause... Wait, how's the... There. I don't have enough for it. Look. I wanna buy... Can you sell my app? Can I do that? Yeah, that's... What the... Okay, that was a fail.
What'd you do this time?
Well, I need like 700. It wasn't really a fail. I just don't have enough money. Eh. There's. Okay. So this. I knew I should have gotten that extra piece of lava wood.
No, you didn't. Be honest.
I am. Okay, Lan. You have a plot of land to make your better conveyor.
Yay! Better conveyor.
Diggle? Mine takes up like a whole plot. More than a...
Mine's gonna take more than a plot.
I guess I need to make a hole for yours to go in. This ghost is still sitting there. No. I'm not gonna have enough. No. Yeah. Wish Nathan could come in here and give me like $400 real quick. With Wyatt.
Why 400?
Because that's all I need. All I need. 400.
I ain't giving you any money.
Wait, what the? Dude, you don't even play this game.
Me?
No,
Yeah.
Nathan.
It's still, I'm not giving you money. Is he doing it?
I'm in a FaceTime call with him. You guys can't hear each other. So.
Yeah, I can't hear.
What the? Okay. I got a piece of wood. Dude, I jumped on a piece of wood and it just flew across, like, it just flew, like, so far away.
What if I told you I eliminated every single team in Bed Wars?
And person?
In person.
Dang. Okay.
What?
Flying donkey, why are you still just standing there?
Me?
No, flying donkey.
I don't understand this person.
There's a stolen flying donkey just sitting here. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video, and I just sort of oops. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next one. Bye.
Peace.
Peace out. Goodbye, Nathan.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.